Hi everyone, I am Aksa Zafar and welcome back to MLTube, your go-to channel for data science and artificial intelligence. If you want to learn Python but don't know how to start, this video is for you. In this video, I will share 7 free Python courses on Coursera that are great for beginners. These courses will help you start coding, build projects, and learn data science all for free. So let's get started. The first course is Crash Course on Python by Google. It's perfect for beginners and has 5 modules that take about 20 hours to finish at your own speed. In this course, you will learn what Python is and why it's great for automating tasks. You will also learn basic things like strings, lists, dictionaries, how to write simple Python programs, and how to use different code editors and tools. To enroll in this course for free, click the Enroll for Free button, then click Audit this course. That's it. You will get full access to all the course materials. This course also teaches you how to solve real programming problems step by step. What I really liked about this course is that it mixes easy lessons with hands-on practice and real examples, making it simple to understand Python even if you have never coded before. The second course is Programming in Python by Meta. It's also good for beginners but goes a bit deeper with about 45 hours of content divided into 5 modules. In this course, you will learn Python syntax and how to control the flow of your programs. You will also get introduced to object-oriented programming using classes and methods, how to handle errors and exceptions, and the basics of test-driven development with writing unit tests. To enroll in this course for free, click the Enroll for Free button, then click Audit this course, and that's it. You will get full access to all the course materials. This course is great if you want to get ready for jobs in backend development or database work. Plus, you will explore the Python ecosystem and popular libraries, which is really helpful. The third course is Python Basics. It's a solid introduction to Python 3 and covers basics like conditional statements, loops, strings, and lists. To enroll in this course for free, click Enroll for Free button, then click Audit this course, and that's it. You will get full access to all the course materials. What makes this course special is that you get to do hands-on programming using the Turtle module to draw images on the screen. The course also focuses on helping you debug your code and understand how your program runs. There is a free and interactive online textbook to guide you through the lessons. This course is perfect if you want to build strong basic skills and get better at solving problems with code. The fourth course is Python for Data Science, AI and Development. It's designed for beginners who want to learn data science and AI. In this course, you will start with Python basics and programming logic. You will also learn important libraries like pandas and numpy that help you work with data. To enroll in this course for free, click Enroll for Free button, then click Audit this course, and that's it. You will get full access to all the course materials. The course shows you how to use Jupyter notebooks to write and test your code. You will even learn about web scraping and how to work with APIs. With about 25 hours of content, this course gives you the skills you need to use Python in data science, which is really important for many jobs today. The fifth course is Data Processing using Python. It has 6 modules and about 29 hours of content. This course is great for beginners without a computer background. You will start with Python basics, learn how to get and show data, and then move on to the data analysis and visualization. To join this course for free, click the Enroll for Free button, then choose Full Course No Certificate, then click Continue and click Start Learning. That's it. You will get full access to all the course materials. The course also covers creating simple graphical interfaces and using popular libraries like NumPy and Pandas. It uses real examples from finance and other fields to make learning easy and practical. The videos have English subtitles, and the course helps you build strong skills in data processing with Python. Python Programming Fundamentals by Microsoft is a beginner-friendly course with 6 modules and takes about 24 hours to complete at your own pace. You will learn the basics of Python like how to write code, use data structures, and control the flow of your programs. To enroll in this course for free, click the Enroll for Free button, then click Audit this course, and that's it. You will get full access to all the course materials. The course also teaches you how to find and fix errors, test your code, and use Git and GitHub to save your work and show your projects. It focuses on helping you write clean and easy to understand code. This course is perfect for beginners who want to start learning Python and prepare for jobs as Python developers. No previous experience is needed. Finally, the last one is Get Started with Python by Google. This advanced course has 5 modules and takes about 24 hours to complete at your own pace. It teaches how Python is used in data analysis, covering basics like loops, control statements, data structures, and object-oriented programming. To enroll in this course for free, click Enroll for Free button, then click Audit this course, and that's it. You will get full access to all the course materials. You will learn famous tools like NumPy, Pandas, and Jupyter Notebooks through real-life examples and hands-on practice. By the end, you will be able to write Python code, work with different data types, and complete a project using Python to analyze a real data set. So these are the 7 free Python courses on Coursera, perfect for beginners. I have added all the course links in the description below. Check them out and pick the one that fits you best. If you found this guide helpful, please like this video, subscribe to my channel, and click the notification bell to stay updated. Share your thoughts or questions in the comments. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.